The EMA 50 really is as of now at $0.001, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. The $0.0007469 support level for SPEL United States dollar basically is actually serious areas of strength for especially an unpretentious way. SPEL United States dollar sort of is stood up to with obstruction level of R1 at $0.0009690. So the $0.0007469 support level for SPEL United States dollar most certainly is major areas of strength for truly, explicitly is genuinely critical. Bears control SPEL's ongoing cost activities, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. 04 August 2023. In this video we will walk you through explicitly SPEL most certainly token cost examination for now or for the following week and sincerely attempt to answer these habitually in every practical sense, clarified some things, facts, what explicitly is genuinely momentary cost expectation for in a real sense. SPEL token truly is basically SPEL, an essentially wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. SPEL exceptionally token help and obstruction levels, and so on in an extremely significant manner. However, prior to jumping kind of profound into the SPEL specialized examination, especially let us basically discuss the by and large current economic situations in a sort of significant manner. Market investigation over the last 24 hours, there sort of was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the in every way that really matters whole cryptographic money market to $1,169,279,238,148. Exceptionally, as opposed to prevalent thinking, the very complete exchanging volume explicitly remains at $29,024,660,437. Genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin shares 48.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a predominance of 16.33%, which sort of is genuinely huge, which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,259.42 level after a vertical development of 0.4% in an essentially significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.43%. Coming to $1,844.19 during the past 24 hours, showing that really spells sort of token help and opposition levels and so on, which certainly is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time span, which for the most part is genuinely critical. XRP, the local coin of XRP especially, is up by 0.01 and at present exchanging at 66 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an in every practical sense, significant way. These occasions really demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a descending bearing for kind of present moment in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. As of now, a genuinely broad, most certainly bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a really significant manner. SPEL truly token help and opposition backing and obstruction basically are significant specialized pointers used to really distinguish kind of key cost levels, where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support truly is a level at which purchasers certainly become in every practical sense all the more by and large dynamic, and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any truly further in a genuinely huge manner. Similarly, opposition in a real sense is a level at which dealers by and large become move genuinely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. Exhibiting that help for the most part is a level at which purchasers truly become kind of more sort of dynamic and especially prevent the coin's cost from falling any commonly further. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of really SPEL in every practical sense. Token, SPEL pretty symbolic execution. The cost of for the most part SPEL commonly token. SPEL truly is at $0.000869994. Down 1.69% in the sort of beyond 24 hours and truly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week. So explicitly bears control SPEL's kind of current cost activities in a genuinely enormous manner. One day exchanging volume for BTC in every practical sense is 7,682,709.00 United States dollars, while genuinely all out, market cap came to $89,992,626 United States dollars, showing how the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar generally is areas of strength for Truly, in opposition to prevalent thinking. There especially are practically 103,446,920,678 basically are available for use out of 103,214,939,480. Showing that the $0.00074695 support level for SPEL United States dollar in a real sense is major areas of strength for Truly, so they truly thought. SPEL fundamentally token value examination, especially SPEL cost investigation for 04 August 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period by and large made sense of beneath, showing how following especially are the help and opposition levels of Truly SPEL, exceptionally token. SPEL pretty symbolic execution. The cost of fundamentally SPEL, Truly token, SPEL in a real sense is at $0.00086994, down 1.69% in the all things considered recent hours, and certainly has a value change of 6.06% over the course of the week. So certainly bears control SPEL's Truly current cost activities, which basically is very critical. We utilize commonly relative strength INDEXRSI, moving especially normal union and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including most certainly straightforward moving pretty normal, SMA, and remarkable moving exceptionally normal, EMA, to fundamentally investigate the future development of the SPEL token. While SPEL's Williams %R marker, in a real sense, is at 54.378 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange Truly signal especially is truly conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $242.47 following a value change of 0.78% inside a similar time period, or so they most certainly thought. The SPEL United States dollar moving Truly normal union and difference, MACD, marker, Truly is showing a sort of present moment. Truly sell in every practical sense, signal, as the MACD line most certainly is moving beneath in every practical sense. Signal line which sort of means explicitly bears in a real sense are ruling on the lookout, exhibiting that in a real sense. SPEL all things considered. Token value examination basically SPEL cost investigation for 04 August 2023, inside a by and large day-to-day time period by and large made sense of underneath, showing how following sort of are the help and obstruction levels of Truly SPEL, commonly token, SPEL especially token execution, the cost of explicitly SPEL especially token, SPEL,